Deck the keys actually sounds very much similar to deck the halls. I'm going to start my left hand on C chord and my right hand on C position with the 5 on G. Here we go. Beginning with our right hand here, 5 on G, let's go down the scale. Jump, cross over to B, back to C. Jump, cross over, and back to C. Move your thumb up to F and stretch E and C. Now the left hand on C position. C, E, and G, hold it down together. Cross the 3 over to A, B, C, down the scale. Go back to C position. And 5 up to F, up the scale. And to the low C.